welcome back, guys. Happy Sunday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme Spring Summer 2018. This was dropped on April 5th, week number 7. This one is the collaboration with the North Face. This is the shoulder bag, the silver colorway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and then get this started. As you can see, the package is kind of dirty during the delivery. So as you can see, it comes with this Supreme shark beam bag, like always. It's pretty wrinkled and beat up. Well, I got two of the Supreme box logo stickers. So this bag is made in Vietnam, metallic shoulder bag, silver metallic. And this one came directly from the Supreme.com, SupremeNewYork.com. Come with this silica gel to keep it dry. It says never stop exploring. Okay, you got this nice Supreme label right there. You got this not sure this well, this one's plastic and this is metal zip. It's a YKK. So you got this D hook loop. Shoulder strap is pretty nice, pretty sturdy. Got this nice metal retractable clip or hook, and nice sturdy nylon. So you got like 2 zippers, one on each side. Got like a one mesh of on the front, the slot. I need to turn on the flash so you can see. And then it comes with this label. So if you guys want legit check, make sure you look for this labels. And there's another zipper in the front. We'll put something in the front of the mesh. So this is with the lights on. As you can see the mesh. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. And please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and be sure to turn on the bell for notifications, so whenever I drop the new and latest video, you could check them out instantly. And please drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.